What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're going to go ahead and start a brand new series where I'm going to take $100, put it into a stock account, start building the profile. First, I'm going to give this 100 to my wife before she kills me for doing this little project. Okay, I'm going to flip you guys around. I'm going to show you the app I'm using right now, and let's buy some stocks and let's start building this profile. Alright, this is my Robinhood account, and I've had this for a while. Had about $10,000 in there at one point in time, and ended up pulling all that out, and I left $7 in there. So when I came back to this today, I had $3 in stocks and $3 in cash. So we are already starting out with a few stocks, nothing too grand. They're just like some penny stocks, really. But I'd have put $100 in here, and we're going to go ahead and start buying. Just kind of showing you the profile right here at the beginning, so you can see this is what we're starting out with, $107, basically between stocks and cash. Now, let's find some stocks. Right over here, I have the two stocks that I've already purchased. You can see, like I said, they're penny stocks. They're only like 30 cents. I got 10 shares in the Freds and 1 share in this UAVS, and to be honest, I don't even know what either one of these stocks are about. I believe this Freds is part of Fred Meyer's, Fred Incorporated. Yeah, I think so, but not too sure. These right here are the stocks that I did have on my watch list at one point in time. Nvidia, T is AT&T. So there's a few stocks on here that I see have grown a lot since I first started, like Amazon and Google were right around $700 to maybe $1,000, and yeah, Amazon is just blown up, $1,800 per stock. Google's grown, but not as much as Amazon has. You could have easily doubled your money if you'd put it in there a year ago, but at the same time, that's $700 per stock. I did have a lot of Kroger, Bank of America. So right now we're just kind of evaluating what stock we might want to buy. I'm not sure if I'm trying to set up some sort of dividend paying profile where we're getting monthly or quarterly payments from dividends, or if we're just going to go ahead and set up some stocks that we hope will advance. Ford's sitting at like $9. I noticed today when I was looking at this that GE is down at $9 a share. Now, they'd previously, if you look at the 5-year graph here, I think we can see them up all the way up to 31, somewhere in there, 30, whatever. It's about $30, $31.61 I think was their high. And now they've kind of just trickled all the way down. I think they had a dip at, what, 6 something. They've got a new CEO, so they've kind of got a plan to start slowly coming back into the green, but it's probably going to be like a 10-year plan. So what do you guys think about this stock? Do you think this might be a good potential first buy? I think we could at least get 10 shares. Well, yeah, we could get 10 shares right now and just kind of sit back on them for maybe a year or two before these things come back up into the $20 range, which I'm really kind of feeling like I want to, because like in the past 5 years, it's dropped $15. Now, this is definitely on the up. You know, what do we have in this last month spike? Let's look at the 3 month. No, that's pretty consistent. Well, within this year, they had this low right here in December, and this year they've slowly gained back up to this $10 range, sitting around $10. They keep getting these little dips and spikes. You know, like this is a pretty good dip. I feel like at the 9.15 we could always sell out our 10 shares at $10 and gain ourselves $10. But we're gonna try looking for a long-term game here. So we'll either buy 10 shares of that today, or we might buy like 5 shares of AT&T, just because I use them. They're really not the best. Maybe we'll go back to Verizon at one point, but we've been doing, damn, Verizon $55 a share, and they're in the green right now. Let's see, where's AT&T? 34, and they're kind of in the red. They do pay a dividend, and that will show here. Dividend yield is 7 7%. So, and you can look at all that. I'm not too sure what's going on with this app yet. As this series progresses, I'll do kind of like how to understand this. But I'm assuming some of you guys that are looking up this video already know what this app's all about. And yeah, so throw your suggestions down there, and as we build this profile here, we will have funds to use. Say we don't want to use the shares that we buy today in GE, we can always take that $100 out next week and put $200 into another stock. I think I'm gonna start clearing up some of these stocks that I don't want anymore off here, but we can start shuffling the money around as we watch this profile grow. So let's just see where it goes, and take $100 every week and slowly put it into the profile and see if we can get more than a 7% return by the end of the year. What do you guys think?
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday and the markets are open. I was doing the beginning of this video on Sunday and I realized that the markets are closed. Looks like my Fred and this UAVS are in the green. I don't know if they're just starting out like that. Doesn't look like they've actually made an increase. But you can see this where we're at right now with our investment line. We have $107 between stocks and cash. Now I'm going to scroll down the bottom of this list, and I think I'm going to go ahead and buy GE. Now it was about 115 yesterday when we were looking at it, and it dropped to about 1.6, and it's kind of slowly going up. Let's go ahead and just look at trade options. We're going to buy. So let's buy 11 shares. Okay, boom. Not enough buying power. Oh, because you have to have like a percentage of, there we go, 10 shares. Then we should be able to get it for that market price. And we're good. Alright. So we got 10 shares bought. And we go back to our profile. We'll go to our account summary, and it shows that we have $94 in stocks and $12 in cash. So we're going to start out with this GE, and like I said, as you guys send me stocks and suggestions, and we'll modify this account. Either we'll take the money out of here and we'll move it into other stocks as our funds grow, or we'll just watch certain stocks grow as we just invest into others. So let me know what you guys think about this. If you think this is a good idea, you hate this idea. But let's try buying one more, just for the heck of it. One. Oh yeah, now we got 11 stocks with a little tiny bit of cash. We're not inviting friends. Okay, looks pretty good. Hey, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.
Hey, so obviously this series got a little work to do. It's the first time I've used this screen recorder. I've figured out a few other little editing things, and I'm going to start incorporating it into the series. I want this to be an interactive series where you guys are definitely showing me you guys suggestions on we're getting rolled up on. I want you guys to give me suggestions on the stocks that you guys are buying, what I should be buying, and like let's make this like an interactive profile. I'm obviously going to be doing a little bit of research on the stocks, so don't troll me too much. Don't try to get me to buy GoPro or nothing like that. But let's go ahead and see this profile grow. I think we can put $100 a week, and if that's not going to be something you can do, let's just shoot for 50 or something, and grow together where you guys are trying to get the same stocks, see the same gains, and then let's choose when we decide we want to get rid of some stocks, or if we want to keep these for the long runs. Let's see if we're going to turn this thing into some kind of dividend profile, something like that. Everything starts small, obviously, so $100 doesn't seem like nothing, but as this series grows, every week that $100 is going to snowball into something great. So please like, share, subscribe. I don't know. I got to say that. It's part of the whole YouTube world or something like that. But really just comment down below. I want to know what you guys think about this series. And if you guys are buying stocks, if you guys even care about stocks, do you guys even have a 401k set up or what? So we're basically kind of building our own little 401k.
that's my little experiment here. So let's watch as this series grows. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Got that Goonies vibe. Oh, look at this. We're gonna have to go check this out too.